Hello and welcome back to my channel. Look what we have. I got this through Influenster. It's called a voxbox. It's this app where you review products, and if you're lucky, they'll send you some free stuff to review. This is one of the first things that I've gotten in a long time. I also got some skincare from them, but I'll get to that later. But I'm going to review this. You see, I've been bleaching and dyeing my hair for like a year now, I want to say. And I normally go to Sally Beauty and get the Soulcare Blue Flash Bleach. And that works amazing. That is my tried and true, my go-to. It's never failed me. I have heard horrible things about Splat. How it dries out people's hair, how it makes their hair fall out, how it makes it really stringy and damaged. So I'm only going to be doing a tiny little patch test on this piece of hair right here. Because I do not want to put this on my roots and then something bad happens. And no thank you. So let me show you what's in the box. First, we have this Brilliant Bleach with toning shampoo and plant-based protein conditioner, bowl and brush included. It has a little chart right here of what it can look like depending on your hair color. I'm going to be putting it throughout this entire strand, so from the brown roots all the way down, and we'll see what it all looks like. That's everything that's included right there. Let me open it for you and show you. So there's instructions in there. Then you've got this. This is the, what is this? I'm guessing. This is the Splat Oxide bottle. And then, hold on, this is the bleach right here. We got a little brush. This is the toning shampoo, toning conditioner, and then the bowl. The directions here say to pour the bleach into the bowl, then the Splat Oxide bottle, pour that in there, and stir it up, and then put it on your hair. So I am going to change my clothing into something a little bit more appropriate that I don't mind getting messy, and see you in half a second. Alright, I'll see you right now. They also gave me this Brilliant Toning Foam in Violet Frost. Smoky violet tone or pastel hue weightless conditioning foam. Increases vibrancy and shine. Lasts up to 10 washes. 2 to 3 applications per bottle. I will read the directions for this after I get done with bleaching. Now I'll be back in 0.5 seconds. Alrighty, and I'm back with the new outfit that I used to bleach and dye my hair. Now let's do this. The instructions state, wear gloves while you're mixing it and putting it in your hair, and pour the Splat Brilliant Bleach into the tint bowl. So this, you can really only use all of it at one time because the nature of the packaging, you can't really save this. So even though it's just this part, I'm gonna use it all. I'm going to make it all. I'm not going to use it all because I'm not putting it on the rest of my hair. When I bleach the rest of my hair, I'm gonna go back to Sally Beauty. This is just for an experiment and to see if it worked. I don't trust Splat. Just right off the bat, I don't trust it. But we're gonna try it anyway. Comes with gloves on the package. Okay, step 1. The bleach. Okay, then it says remove cap from Splat Oxide bottle. Well, wow, that powder goes everywhere. Remove cap while pointing bottle away from face and eyes, and then pour it into the tint bowl with the bleach. And stir it. It looks like snot. thick liquid. And then we stir it with our brush. I think it's great that they give you a little tub and a brush. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to keep the tub. I followed the directions and this is not really mixing well. It's very liquidy, which it's not supposed to be. And it's very clumpy. So that's a red flag for me. Definitely not like the Soulcare bleach I normally use. It should not be this liquidy. I know that for sure. Or at least in my experience with the other bleach I use, it's never this liquidy. Just trying to stir it as much as I can in hopes of thickening it up, I guess. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting a little thicker, but it's still like a little chunky. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, for the directions, it states, apply to clean dry hair, apply bleach mixture onto hair immediately after mixing, keep bleach a 1/4 inch off scalp, make sure hair strands are evenly coated, avoid over processing, do not leave on hair for more than 30 minutes. Failure to rinse may lead to severe scalp and or hair damage, and then shampoo and condition. If you experience burning sensation, rinse immediately. That applies to pretty much anything you put on yourself. If hair has not achieved desired lightness after 30 minutes, rinse hair with lukewarm water and shampoo. And then you're supposed to use the shampoo and conditioner that it comes with. It's the toning shampoo and conditioner. And it basically instructs you to shampoo and condition it the way you would normally shampoo and condition your hair. So let's take this bleach. That thankfully has thickened up a little. It's still weirdly clumpy though. And apply it. I know you're not supposed to get it on the scalp, but I'm trying to cover all those roots as much as I can without touching my skin. Okay. Gonna leave this on for 30 minutes, and while that is processing, I'm gonna show you the other voxbox that I got. I got this one first, the one I'm having in my hands. Got this like a couple weeks before I got this Splat one with the splat starting to itch and burn. I don't have that problem with my Soulcare, but I got the Keys Soulcare from Alicia Keys. She is the face behind this, I guess, and I actually really like these. I got the Be Luminous Exfoliator, which comes out in like granules. Let me show you. It pours out kind of fast, but it comes out in these granules, and then you like wet your hand and your face, and it foams up, and the granules kind of disappear and turn foamy, and it actually works really well. I would say if you have sensitive skin, maybe don't use this because it can be kind of rough, maybe a little bit too rough. So just using this like once a week would be great, but if you have sensitive skin, maybe not. But it does make your skin feel baby soft. And then I have these two. This one is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I use this during the day and it does leave your skin kind of glowy. Super nice, and it feels good and hydrating, moisturizing, all that. And then this one is the Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. So a moisturizer and a sunscreen together. This one's also pretty good. Haven't had any issues with any of these. They feel great on my skin and I like them a lot. So definitely like this voxbox better than the Splat one. So thank you, Influenster. And if you want to join Influenster and get free stuff, then just sign up. I'll leave a link in my bio if you want to, or just go to the website or the app really yourself. Okay, so I guess I kind of take back what I said earlier. I mean, I did hear that it can cause a lot of damage. I saw the bunch of reviews online, people saying it fried their hair, severely damaged their hair. It's not bad. My hair doesn't feel that dry, to be honest. It doesn't feel that bad at all. I probably still wouldn't put it on my entire head, but it's not terrible. It really lightens the part that was already bleached. So there's that. And it really lightened the part at the root too, so that's pretty good. This kit costs $13.99, so I think you would probably still be better off going to Sally Beauty and getting the more professional quality bleach. That's what I'm gonna keep using because I know it works and I know it's effective, and I've been using it for like a year now. But yeah, the bleach at Sally Beauty is like $5 for a packet, and then for the toner it's like another $5, so it's technically cheaper than buying this whole kit, and I trust it more. If you choose to use the Splat, I don't think you're gonna hate it, but there's just better quality stuff out there. So now I'm gonna try this. The directions state: apply generously to pale, blonde, or bleached hair. Dispense product onto hand and fully saturate product onto desired areas. For toning effects, apply to wet hair and process for 10 minutes. For a fun pastel hue, apply to dry hair and process for 20 minutes. Rinse until water runs clear. Condition and style as desired. Now, I think this product is new. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I haven't really seen much about this, or if it's like bad for your hair or anything. I think I'm gonna apply it here. I might apply it to more of the underneath area. Why not? Let's see. Maybe the entire back underneath section. So look at that. Doesn't smell bad. Now this part over here is obviously bleached and dyed, but from a while back, not tonight. What's here has been in my hair for a while. Trying to get it as close to the root as possible. See what effect it might have on the brown. Probably no effect at all. My hands are a little bit stained purple. That'll probably wash right off though. Like I said earlier, it lasts up to 10 washes and 2 to 3 applications per bottle, assuming it's your entire head, of course. I'm gonna keep this on for 20 minutes, wash it out, let it dry. Be right back for my final review. Okay, we're all done. As you can see, it worked pretty well down here. It's a nice light purpley color, nice and vibrant. I tried to get it up here closer to the roots, but it wouldn't really go. I think I probably would have been easier if I had like a brush or something, or if I was doing my entire head. I was trying to avoid the hair around it, the hair above it, so I was being careful. But yeah, it's really pretty looking. And according to the bottle, it should last 10 washes. We'll see about that, I guess. But yeah, my hair's not too like damaged feeling or looking. I'm not mad about either of these products. Would I ever use this bleach on my whole head? No. Is it okay in a pinch if you don't have a Sally Beauty near you? Sure. I'd still prefer going to Sally Beauty over buying from Splat though. I can't tell you what your experience will be. This brand seems to be kind of polarizing. You either love it or you hate it. I thought it was pretty okay though. And this seems pretty fun if you're looking to dye your hair vibrant colors. That it should wash out up to 10 washes. This could be something easier for you to do than like straight up dyeing it. So yeah, I like this too. Maybe I'll try to do more of my hair. We'll see. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you come back because I will be going to Sally Beauty again soon, and I'm thinking about trying to dye my hair copper. We shall see how that works out. Okay. Goodbye, good night, good luck. So long, and thanks for the fish or something.